And in business, Nigerian Exchange Limited (NGX) ended trading on a positive note on Friday as market capitalization gained 50 billion naira or 0.19% to close at 25.791 trillion naira, up from 25.741 trillion naira the previous day. The NGX All-Share Index (ASI) also gained 90.54 basis points or 0.19% to close at 47,351.43 from 47,260.89 naira on Thursday. Well, joining me this morning on a Monday is Azeez Lawal, Managing Director, Trust Bank Assets Management Limited. Good morning to you, Azeez. What led to the bullish result on Friday?
Yeah, good morning. It's always a pleasure to be here. Yeah, the bullish performance we saw Friday, I mean, rather than being a general improvement of the market, was more of what I will call a recovery from earlier price dips. If you look at Friday's performance, for example, one of the top gainers was UBA. It gained 3.05%. And that gain, we can't say it's a fresh gain because just a day before it lost 3.68%. So it's more of a recovery of its earlier price dip rather than a general improvement in the market. I mean, so what happened throughout the week is more of a reflection of market performance rather than what happened on Friday, because throughout the week all indices suffered losses, and that's basically contributed to the over 3% loss we saw in the market week on week. So for equity market investors, I mean, the bearish sentiment continues.
All right, Azeez, did the presentation of the number one citizen, President Muhammadu Buhari's last budget, impact the market? And what are your predictions for this week, by the way?
I mean, the market is not yet excited about the presentation of the budget. It's too early to start measuring that reaction. But typically, the huge deficit speaks more to the fixed income market. That's the debt market. The debt market loves deficit because they are the ones that will provide funding for that deficit at the higher rates that is beneficial to investors that are playing at that level. So for this week, particularly in the equity market, we expect the bearish sentiment to continue. Then for the fixed income market, we expect a very quiet session all through the week. Our system liquidity seems to have dried up. Thank you.
All right, let's make projections now, Azeez. What should we be expecting from the fixed income market, especially for this week?
Yeah, like I noted, for the fixed income market, unlike what we saw 2 weeks before last week, right, where liquidity in the system was heavy. For what we've seen in the last 1 week now is that the system liquidity has now dried out, and typically activity in the fixed income market is driven by the level of liquidity in the system. As a result, we expect a very quiet performance in the fixed income market this week.
All right, thank you so much, Azeez Lawal, for talking to us here.
Yeah, thank you for all this having me. Thank you.
All right.